What does milk do, buddy?
Milk.
What does it do? Hmm? Does it make you big and strong? Huh? Hey, what's your name? What is it? Yes, buddy, it is. You sweet thing. Hey, what does milk do? It makes you fall down? No. What does milk do? It falls down on the squares? Well, yes, it does do that occasionally, huh? Hey, love your hair. Well, don't fall. Hey, buddy. Hey. Yeah, you. Careful. Big and strong, huh? Why don't you sit down like you're supposed to on that seat? Thank you, buddy.
Not supposed to be a seat.
Yep. Not supposed to be sitting like that in the seat. You're going to fall down. You're absolutely right. Yeah.
Sit down a chair.
Mm-hmm.